YouTube video. It's Malik Xavier with 2 R's, and today I am back with another video. So today I'm just gonna be figuring out where I want to have my next piercing. I have these little piercing guns that came with earrings and sterilizing pads for my ear, wherever I want to pierce and stuff like that. But also, while I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna pierce, I'm going to be telling you guys a story time of when I decided that I wanted to pierce my own ear. But we're gonna get into that into the video so we could get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so first of all, what I'm gonna be doing is explaining myself. Basically, I'm gonna sit here for a little bit trying to debate if I really wanna do this piercing. So basically what I did was, it was like a couple of days ago, I literally, my friend told me like, oh, like you should pierce your ear with a thumbtack. Like, thumbtacks are cool to pierce your ear with. And I was like, you know what? Actually, I actually might do it because like, I've always wanted second hole piercings on both of my ears. So I was like, you know what? I might actually do it. And so the time came when I was like, yeah, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna do it. So I did with the freaking thumbtack, but everything was sterilized. Like I burnt like the top of the thumbtack and cleaned it off, so it was sterilized. Everything was clean. That wasn't the issue at all. But since we're in quarantine, you can't really go get your ears pierced. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it, and I did it. And I'm gonna insert. Wait, no, I don't even have the video anymore. I'm gonna try and find a video of me piercing my ear, because I took a little video, like a minute video, and I'm gonna try and put it in, but if I can't find it, it won't be in. So I marked where I wanted to like put the piercing and stuff, and I did it. But like part of me felt like it wasn't even, because I had like a heart earring, and like it was just weird. But I just felt like it wasn't, what's the word I'm looking for? It wasn't like even. So like if I did this, it didn't look even to me. So I was like cleaning it for like 2-3 days. And I told my friends and stuff, and they were like, it looks good, but I just didn't feel right about it. You know, like if you get a piercing, you should feel bomb about it. So I took them out and I'm just letting them heal over, and then I'll get them done professionally, because like doing all that like stuff by yourself isn't it. And since I already have one done, if it's uneven, you'll be able to tell because it'll be a second hole. But with the cartilage, it's not really a right or wrong, because it's not like I have 2 right here and they're too close or too far apart. You know what I mean? So it'll be easier. So honestly, I'm thinking about it right here. I think that's a good spot because I don't want it to be up here like people normally would do. I want it to be like right here. I don't know. But I'm just thinking, I don't want to do it on this ear. This is my left ear, and this is my right ear. I don't know though. I'm honestly debating on it. I think I'm gonna do it. All right, hey y'all, I'm back. But the only thing that, I'm back, and I just watched a video on people piercing their cartilage with a gun. And the only thing that I'm like not afraid of, but like worried about, is like I want my mom to know, because like I did the second ones without her knowing, because like it's my second holes, but I feel like with a cartilage, she would want to know that for sure. But the only reason why I didn't tell her about the second holes is because I wasn't sure to begin with if I really wanted to keep them. So I took them out, and they're closed basically, and it doesn't hurt or anything. So yeah, I don't know if I really want to like do the cartilage. I might have to wait until she gets back, or I might just do it. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I don't know. Like I have 2 actually, because I was gonna wait till my ears heal to do these 2, but I don't know. Like that, and just do that. Okay, this is an alcohol pad. I'm gonna get my butt beat. Okay, this is the little alcohol sterilizing pad. And I'm gonna just do it all over, honestly, like this. Because I don't know where I'm gonna do it technically. Oh my gosh, here goes nothing. I'm taking it out. Oh my gosh. And the backing is right there and the earring is right there. Okay, I'm gonna put my earring. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. Oh, like this. Like that. I don't know where I should do it. I'm gonna mark it again. No. Right here. I don't know. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm such a dummy. Okay. So I'm gonna put the ear. I don't know. Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is the scariest thing ever. Because like too, it'd be done really fast. I don't know why I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so right now I just was stalling. I watched another video of a girl doing it, but she did it with a needle and she said it didn't hurt at all. So if I'm doing it with a gun, it'd be really fast. So I honestly should be fine. I'm not even when I'm stalling. But I want a lower cartilage. So I'm going to go high. No. I wonder what it feels like if it's low. I'm just trying to oh my gosh, I just did it. Oh my gosh. God. Oh my gosh. I am so dead. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so dead. Oh my god. Malik. Malik. Oh my gosh, I can't even be mad at it though. It actually looks so good. I had the cake here. I want my cake. Almost about this YouTube video that I was doing. If I start playing Fortnite, add me. But anyways guys, so I highly recommend it with your parents knowing. I'm gonna be telling my mom soon, but 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna be a YouTuber anymore because I won't have anything to vlog with, won't have anything to record with. So everyone, please pray for Malik and just send out your best prayers that he'll still be alive and that you'll be able to see him in person if you like know him, and that like he'll still be alive because he's done for. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I personally rated it wasn't it didn't feel like anything really. I rated like a 10 out of 10 actually, because like this it looks like something that like a tattoo artist or like a regular piercer would do, but this I did myself for about $10, you know? And if you just keep cleaning it and making sure that you sterilize everything, I mean not sterilize everything, but like make sure that you keep your piercing sterilized and all that, like clean, then you should be fine, honestly. But what I don't recommend is doing them tongue piercings, them lip piercings, and stuff like that at home, because like I see people doing it on YouTube, but that right there, that stuff that could get even more infected, because like you have food going in and out of your mouth and stuff like that. Don't do like no eye piercings, don't do no, you know, eyelid piercings, none of that, none of this, you know, don't do it. So yeah, I recommend it, but if you think it's worth dying for, go do it. Or if your parent is okay with it, then do it, honestly, because like you saving your parents money. You saving them money. It would have cost like $60. They just got $50 off of piercing. Okay? So yeah, I got the thing from Amazon and it came with alcohol pads, it came with the earring and everything. So yeah, I really recommend it. What I don't recommend is doing the thing that I told y'all from the story time. Them thumbtacks, stay away from that. Don't pierce your ear with that. That is not okay. Don't ever do that. I don't know why I sat there and thought that it was okay to sit there and pierce my ear with a thumbtack, okay? I have a vlog coming for you guys. This video might even be out before the vlog, because yesterday I made the vlog, but I know it's gonna have to be a lot of cutting because my mom was saying stuff and I just was like, and yeah, it's like a lot of parts where I'm just like, yeah, because like it's my first vlog and I didn't really feel comfortable. Like now I think I feel comfortable. Like I can go outside and vlog, and I'm watching like different YouTubers, how they vlog outside and what they talk about and stuff. So it's gonna be bomb. But yeah, the vlog is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be bomb. So yeah, I hope you guys all subscribe, like, and comment to my channel if you're new. Don't forget to do your thing, share the link, tell everybody about my video. Let me know how you enjoyed it. Let me know if you would even try this. So yeah, I hope I didn't forget anything. Follow the social medias. So yeah, Malik Xavier is out. Peace.